Welcome to another episode of TT Labs. Today we'll be introducing our new C-Pro fittings. We'll be going over the design and installation process using a radiator, a CPU water block, and dual graphics card configuration. When breaking this fitting down, you'll find a G1/4 base with one pre-installed O-ring, a packing sleeve with two pre-installed O-rings, a compression nut O-ring, and the compression nut itself. With our 4 O-ring design, we believe it provides the best compression seal in today's market. Now there are two ways to go about mounting the fitting base onto your in and out ports of your components. I personally like to mount the entire fitting on before removing the collar and sleeve, like so. Another way to do it is if you already have your fitting disassembled, you simply mount the base on. And if you do not have the wrench, a flathead screwdriver will do just fine. The advantage of the C-Pro fitting is that you only need to ensure that both ends of your tube are flush with the base. If you're happy with your overall look, you're ready to install. To do so, slide over the nut, the O-ring, the packing sleeve. Make sure the inner groove is facing the nut. And go ahead and press down on the tube so that it is flush with the packing sleeve. Do the same thing with the other side. I have the nut, O-ring, packing sleeve. Push down. Line them up with the base. Push down and tighten. Now, when working with two water block GPUs in your system, installing the tube would usually require some amount of force to be applied to one or both of the cards. The C-Pro eliminates that. Following the same steps as before, you have your nut, an O-ring, and packing sleeve on both sides. Then just drop it in and tighten. It's that simple. Alright guys, that's it for our C-Pro fitting. If you would like to see other tutorials, drop them down in the comments below and it might be featured in our next TT Labs episode. My name's Donnie, thanks for watching.